Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is the S&P ASX 200 Index Daily Update for Wednesday the 21st of August 2024. The ASX 200 Index closed moderately higher today. The market initially pulled back, then recovered the lost ground by the close of trade, leaving behind a potential test for supply type bar or perhaps a mini shakeout. As a slightly elongated test for supply, it was not really textbook perfect. But in the real world, textbook perfect trading indicators are not common. The expected response to a test for supply or mini shakeout is either for an attempt to move higher or for a secondary test for supply, generally with a narrower spread and reduced volume. And to confirm the indicator as successful, price needs to sustainably push higher in response. You can see that today's bar did pull back quite deeply, back to this bar's low effectively, and then recover to close back up at its highs for the day. This is the intraday chart. Price sliced lower from the open in the first hour of trade. You can see the opening bar here is arrowed, and price really pushed lower with a bit of intent early. A period of consolidation then took place until early afternoon. That's through here, when some increased demand emerged, and the demand emerged here and continued throughout the day to the close of trade. The rest of the day saw price recover all of the initial lost ground and it effectively closed as an up bar for the day. Today's trading shows that supply is not strong or overwhelming and that demand is likely holding the upper hand. Back to the daily chart. Spread or volatility was slightly increased today, which mostly took place as price thrust lower soon after the open. The close was strong, up near the day's high, which shows that demand came in to defend the market as price pushed lower. Volume was increased to slightly above the average, so activity was pretty high, and shows that the demand which emerged throughout the day was most likely significant. Overall, the local market appears poised to push higher, or at least seriously attempt to push higher if trading conditions are favourable. If, however, the timing is not quite right, I expect a secondary test for supply in response. And if trading conditions begin to deteriorate, I expect price to show a reluctance to move lower initially, with only a serious price breakdown if ongoing and overwhelming weakness emerges on overseas markets. At the close of trade, the local market finished 12.8 points higher. Thanks for your time. Back again tomorrow. See ya.